thank you rin sa inyong lahat for celebrating with me. So, I'm not usually the type of person who wants to get recognized in these sort of things, but maraming salamat kasi in-accept nyo rin yung bisita namin dito. So, dahil din naman kay Tita Ed, kaya ko na laman yung charity na ito, and ever since wala namang regrets. So, I'm glad to able to meet all of you, and salamat kasi warm ng welcome niyo sa akin. So, it's just not my birthday that we're celebrating, but syempre, yung buhay rin na binigay sa inyo na andito pa rin kayo. So, maraming salamat. Hope you enjoy your life.
Meron ulit. Oli.
In spite of the ache, I'll rise up and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you.
Article 1, 15-3, in. Service, Laksina.
Love is a long word, it takes forever to say, especially when it's true. Love, 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 love. Love is a long word, can't seem to say it right, but I wanna write this long word to you. Hell is how long I felt this way. Please, I'm very grateful you spent this evening with me. Could you make it exactly what you're feeling? But love, 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 love. Love is a long word, it takes forever to say, especially when it's true. Love, 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 love. Love is a long word, can't seem to say it right, but I wanna write this long word to you.
And now I'm standing here hoping it gets to you.
Hell is how last night I panicked and opened up to you. V is how very embarrassed I was, so I emailed an excuse to you. But maybe I'm overreacting. Oh, maybe it's not so hard. But love is a long word. It takes forever to say, especially when it's true.